My name is Sabrina Bias, and I also go by the handle of Sabrina the Hair Witch. I am a travel freelance hair artist, but today I'm just well over my wash day, and being in the Midwest right now, it's very dry, so I'm going to show you how I lock in moisture using Sol de Janeiro's newest member of the family, the Brazilian Glossy Nourishing Hair Oil. The best way to lock in hydration during dry winter months is to add the Brazilian Nourishing Hair Oil right when you're out of the shower. You want to towel dry, make sure your hair is damp and not soaking wet. Oil is going to lock in the moisture from all of that conditioner that you just used on your hair. So I always rub the oil in between my hands first. That way when I'm distributing it through my hair, it's even and nothing is in one spot too much, so it's not heavy anywhere. This beautiful Amazonian oil has the iconic pistachio and salted caramel scent that we all fell in love with, brings intense shine, amazing hydration, and provides heat protection up to 450 degrees. The Nourishing Hair Oil works for all hair types, but is especially beneficial for thick, curly hair, hair that lacks moisture, or anyone that is experiencing damage from color, bleach, and heat styling. And another way that you could use this, before you go to bed, you can put it on your hair, sleep in it, and then in the morning you shampoo it out and you'll get all of those beautiful benefits. I hope that you guys enjoy the new Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Glossy Nourishing Hair Oil as much as I do, and that you stay hydrated all winter no matter where you are in the world.